Hi, do you want to take the snapshot of any portion of your system or website? Here is the trick. On your system, near the Windows Start button, just type snip and sketch. Then open the tool and then click on New. Now you can take any portion of your browser or system as snapshot. Like this. You can save by clicking on the Save button. You can select the mode also, free from snip, rectangular or window snip. Let us close this. Let us use the Windows snip and sketch once again, and this time click on New, and then here you can select either free from snip or window snip or the full screen snip. Let us click on the full screen snip. It will select the whole screen as the snapshot. Then click on Save button. You can save on your system. So this is how, by using the snip and sketch, you can take the snapshot of your system or the browser at any time without need to install the external software. If you find this video very useful and informative, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.